Alright, hey Mac users, this is Mrs. Lamphere for our IT Explorations course, and in this video I'm demonstrating how to do things using a Mac. So the very first thing we need you to do is complete the folder structure assignment. So I'm going to go to the Content tab, and then in this Getting Started unit you want to have this pulled up and ready to go because there's a link we're going to need to access in order to get this to work. Alright, so it's very, very important that you have your folders exactly set up in the exactly same way that I'm going to be showing you in this video. And then from here on out, it's very important that you save your files in these correct folders. Otherwise, when we go to build our web pages, you're going to have wrong file paths or folders, and so your web pages aren't going to work. So first of all, let's go ahead and get our folders set up. So I'm going to move my browser over just a little bit, sorry. So I can right click somewhere on my desktop. So I'm going to go right click, new folder, and I'm going to call this IT. I'm going to click on this so I can name it IT Explorations. Done. Then I'm going to double click on that folder to go inside and create a new folder called Web Design. Enter. And then inside there, I need to create a new folder called course, sorry, no capitalization, course underscore resources. Right click, new folder, images. Right click, new folder, unit 1. No spaces, no capitalization, unit 2. Oh, and it's kind of just randomly putting these out. So I have unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, and unit 5. So there can be no capitalization, no spaces, no nothing in all of these folder names. Alright, so that's the first step for this assignment, is making sure you have an IT Explorations folder. Then inside that folder you have a Web Design folder. And inside your Web Design folder, you have Course Resources, Images, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, and Unit 5. Then whatever way you want to look at it, it's fine with me. I kind of prefer this view, actually. All right, next step is to download our Course Resources folder. So in order to do that, you need to go back to our content. In step 3, there's a link here that says click on this link. So you're going to want to click on that. And you're going to want to click on avoid the blue griffin links for now. You want to click on this course resources link down here. This will download a folder for you called course resources. And what we need to do is open up that folder and make sure you're going to want to kind of have these windows side by side because we're going to drag what's in the current course resources folder over into our course resources folder. So open up your course resources folder. So just double click on the course resources folder that we created. Go back over to our downloads and I'm going to double click on that file. I'm going to click and drag to select all of these files inside here, or you can simply hold down Shift and click all the folders. You're going to click on those and then drag them over into your course resources file so that those course resources folders are there. Okay, great. Now for the actual assignment, go ahead and close that downloads window. For the actual assignment, you need to take a screenshot of this layout here. I need to see that you have all of these folders created and named correctly. So on a Mac, in order to take a screenshot, you need to hold down Shift Command 4. And that will turn your cursor into this little crosshair thing, and you can just click and drag over your folder structure there. That will create a image. Mine goes directly onto my desktop here. So if I open up that image, I should see the folder structure that I just created. And there it is. So this is just an image of my folder, so don't get that confused. Okay. So this is what you need to submit to the Dropbox. So for our assignment folder structure, mine looks a little different than yours because mine's the teacher version, but as with every other assignment, you should be able to submit your assignment here. So you'll submit and you will submit that image that you took of the folders that you just created. Okay, so that is it for this assignment. Again, those folders have to be looking exactly like that in order for you to get a passing grade. This is a pass-fail assignment, so if they do not look exactly like this, you will get a 0 or actually a 1, just to try and catch your attention. Okay, so that's the very, very first thing that needs to be done for this course. And so get that knocked out and submitted.